Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Fiverr gig. First things, if you don't already have a Fiverr account, go to fiverr.com and click on the sign up button in the top right corner of the page. Watch our previous video about how to create a Fiverr seller account and follow the steps to create your account. Video on the iCard. Once you're logged in, click on the Become a Seller button in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the page where you can create your first gig. Step 1. Choose a category for your gig. Fiverr has a wide range of categories to choose from, including writing, design, digital marketing, and more. So take some time to browse through the options and select the one that best fits your skills and expertise. Step 2. Give your gig a catchy and descriptive title. Make sure it accurately reflects the services you're offering and includes any relevant keywords. Step 3. Add gig tags. These are keywords that help buyers find your gig when searching for specific services. Choose tags that accurately reflect the services you're offering and that are commonly used by buyers in your category. Step 4. Set your gig pricing and delivery time. Fiverr allows you to offer multiple gig packages at different price points. So consider offering a range of options to appeal to different budgets. You can also choose how long it will take you to deliver your services, from a few hours to a few days. Step 6. Add gig extras. Gig extras are optional add-ons that you can offer for an additional fee. For example, if you're a writer, you might offer a gig extra for an expedited delivery time or for a more in-depth edit of a client's work. Step 5. Write a detailed gig description. This is where you can go into more detail about the services you're offering and the value you provide to your clients. Be sure to highlight your skills, experience, and any unique qualities that set you apart from other sellers. Step 7. Include gig requirements. This is where you can outline any specific information or materials that you need from your clients in order to complete their gig. Step 8. Add gig photos and videos. Visuals are a great way to showcase your skills and make your gig stand out. You can add up to 3 photos and 1 video to your gig, so use them wisely to showcase your work and skills. And that's it. You're all set to start offering your services on Fiverr. Remember to regularly review and update your gig to keep it fresh and relevant to your clients. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Fiverr gig. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.